Welcome to AI for Business, your weekly source for the latest in AI news and AI tools. In today's episode, we're covering 3 stories reshaping the AI landscape. We'll start with how a Chinese fintech giant is changing the economics of AI training. Then we'll look at a new Harvard study that might change how you think about AI in your team. Next, we'll discuss why a promising South Korean AI chip startup turned down an $800 million offer from Meta. As always, we've got a practical AI tool for better presentations, plus a prompt tip to do away with online searches. Let's dive into today's stories. China's Ant Group, the financial technology powerhouse behind the country's largest mobile payment platform, has made notable progress in cutting AI costs while maintaining high performance. The company, backed by Alibaba founder Jack Ma, has built a new approach to AI training that combines Chinese and American chips. According to reports, Ant Group successfully used a blend of chips from Chinese companies Alibaba and Huawei, alongside processors from US-based AMD. The result? They reduced their computing costs by 20% while achieving performance comparable to NVIDIA's chips, which currently dominate the global AI market. What makes this interesting is their use of the Mixture of Experts method, or MOE, which has recently gained attention through work by Google and DeepSeek. This technique breaks complex tasks into smaller, specialized parts, which helps increase efficiency without needing as much computing power. This shift could help diversify supply chains in the AI chip market and reduce the current heavy dependence on market leader NVIDIA. For China specifically, it offers a path to continue AI advancement despite tight US export restrictions on advanced AI chips. But perhaps most importantly, it suggests that training advanced AI models doesn't have to be as expensive as many have assumed. In other news, a new Harvard study with Procter Gamble professionals found evidence that AI might be one of the best teammates you'll have. Researchers studied over 700 P&G professionals to understand how AI tools like ChatGPT affect teamwork, with results that should make every business take notice. The experiment compared 4 different work scenarios: individuals working alone, teams without AI, individuals using AI, and teams working with AI. The findings were clear. Teams using AI were 3 times more likely to produce top-quality solutions compared to those working without it. They had a 9.2 percentage point advantage in creating solutions ranked in the top 10%. Speed was another big advantage. AI users completed their tasks over 16% faster while writing more content that was both higher in quantity and quality. Interestingly, people using AI also reported more positive emotions during their work, though they felt less confident about their output despite objectively doing better work. With AI assistance, everyone started speaking each other's language and contributing across traditional boundaries. The researchers called this the cybernetic teammate effect. Organizations can use these insights to rebuild teams, help staff contribute valuable ideas outside their usual expertise, and enable individuals with AI to handle work that once required entire teams. What's even more striking is that P&G isn't just filing this research away. They're already putting these insights to work across their innovation pipeline, showing us a preview of how AI will transform work processes. And since most participants barely knew how to use AI effectively, we're likely seeing just the beginning of what's possible as people improve their AI skills. In our third story today, South Korean AI chip startup FuriosaAI made a bold move in turning down an $800 million acquisition offer from Meta. According to reports, the breakdown in negotiations wasn't about the money. Instead, FuriosaAI and Meta couldn't agree on post-acquisition business strategy and how the company would be structured after the deal. The South Korean startup has chosen to remain independent, focusing on developing and producing their own AI chips rather than being absorbed into Meta's ecosystem. This decision comes at a time when Meta is working hard to reduce its dependence on NVIDIA for AI chips. Last year, Meta unveiled its own custom AI chips and announced plans to invest up to $65 billion this year to support its AI initiatives. This attempted acquisition was clearly part of that strategy. Today's AI tool to try is Presentations.ai, a powerful solution for anyone who needs to create PowerPoints and other presentations. It goes well beyond traditional presentation software by using artificial intelligence to generate complete, visually appealing slides in minutes. Instead of starting with a blank slate, you can simply input your idea or even just a concept, and the AI will write out the content and build the slides with the right design elements. It can even adapt to your company's branding, including logo and color scheme, link to try in the description. The prompt tip of today is about better and faster online searches. Many people don't realize that modern AI tools can search the web. So anytime you need to find something online, start with tools like ChatGPT. They can scan through large amounts of information faster than humans and present it in an organized way. Unlike standard search engines that give you a list of links to sort through, AI can summarize key points from multiple sources, highlight the most relevant info, and present everything in an easy way. This saves you from jumping between different websites and piecing together information yourself. That wraps up today's AI News Roundup. We've covered some major shifts in the AI world that highlight how this technology continues to change business operations. If you found value in today's AI for Business podcast, please subscribe so you never miss our latest updates. Also, if you know someone who's trying to navigate the AI landscape for their business, please share this episode with them. Your recommendation helps us reach more professionals who can benefit from staying informed about these rapidly changing AI technologies. We'll be back tomorrow with more updates from the world of AI for business. Thanks for listening.